What is Islamic calendar? The Islamic year started from the migration or hijrah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Mecca to Medina in year 622 AD. It is a lunar year of 354 days. That means it is based on a moon system, not on the solar system, not on sun. There are 12 months in a year as mentioned in the Quran. The 12 months names are Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jamadil Awwal, Jamadil Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Ziqat, Dhul Hijjah. Just to give you an example, on 9th of August, year 2021 AD is in Islamic year is 1443 Hijrah and 1st of Muharram. Thank you.